This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 35: Leadership and Motivating Others. Leaders are given authority to guide and influence others in achieving goals, making good communication skills essential for effective leadership and understanding different leadership styles. Task-oriented leaders focus on activities, agendas, and accomplishments, directing groups towards set tasks and conclusions. Socio-emotional leaders attend to group comfort, facilitate discussions of differing opinions, and manage personal relationships and feelings. Leadership and motivation are intertwined, with effective leaders motivating others through impactful communication that resonates universally by speaking the language of emotions, feelings, and human connections. Motivation requires willingness and desire, which leaders should inspire through their own enthusiasm. Good leaders understand what motivates others, whether it's money, prestige, altruism, or recognition. Identifying and focusing on those motivational factors enables effective motivation of followers. Effective leaders facilitate collaborative exchange and follow-through between themselves and followers, requiring a commitment from both parties. Strong personal relationships, mutual respect, and unified excellence are key to effective teamwork, with true leadership meaning shared responsibility. Leaders motivate by using appreciation, involvement, and personal awareness. Appreciation is powerful but must be used appropriately without embarrassment, while communicating priorities effectively utilizes appreciation as a motivator through genuine and motivating strategies. A good leader energizes the team, bringing passion and positive energy. Leaders motivate and inspire through uplifting speeches that instill enthusiasm. An effective leader must be a skilled communicator who understands the audience's context and tailors their approach accordingly. Listening to important people is a sign of respect and solves half the problems. The art of listening has diminished today, leading to mental issues. Due to busy lives, we fail to listen even to our closest relations. The habit of patient listening is essential for a good leader. A leader should focus on solutions, not just listening to problems. Their message should bring a solution along with the problem, giving attention to both. An influential leader progresses through experience and competence, not position, being a sensitive listener, empathetic, and a problem solver. For effective motivational leadership, having a good relationship and understanding with others is crucial. Leaders must be effective communicators, good listeners, and hard workers, with empathy being key for motivating and respecting others. Building bonds with team members takes time and experience. Good communication, patience, and rapport are essential for motivational leadership. Leaders must motivate through impactful and tailored communication while understanding personal motivations to aid in leading and motivating others. Leaders facilitate collaboration and unified commitment among followers. Appreciation, involvement, and awareness are powerful motivational factors. Skilled communication and audience understanding define effective leaders, with active listening being crucial for empathetic, problem-solving leadership. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.